Question number 1. A conjugated molecule formed by combining a lipid with a carbohydrate is called a option A glycoprotein, option B glycolipid, option C phospholipid, option D nucleoprotein. Question number 2. A glycolipid consists mainly of a lipid component linked to a option A nucleic acid, option B mineral ion, option C carbohydrate, option D peptide only. Question number 3. A glycoprotein is a conjugated molecule containing a protein linked to option A carbohydrate, option B a triglyceride only, option C DNA only, option D a phosphate only. Question number 4. Which conjugated molecule is especially important in cell recognition at the cell surface? Option A triglyceride, option B steroid, option C wax, option D glycolipid. Question number 5. The carbohydrate portion of a glycoprotein is generally attached to the option A fatty acid tall, option B protein, option C glycerol backbone, option D DNA strand. Question number 6. Glycolipids are commonly found as important components of the option A nuclear DNA, option B ribosomal RNA, option C cell membrane, option D cytosolic ATP pool. Question number 7. Which statement best describes glycoproteins? Option A lipids with three fatty acids. Option B RNA molecules with sugars. Option C steroids with phosphate groups. Option D proteins with carbohydrate groups attached. Question number 8. Which statement best describes glycolipids? Option A lipids with carbohydrate groups attached. Option B proteins with amino acids removed. Option C DNA with lipid tails. Option D carbohydrates containing peptides only. Question number 9. The carbohydrate chains on membrane glycolipids can contribute to option A DNA replication, option B cell recognition, option C fatty acid oxidation, option D ATP hydrolysis only. Question number 10. Proteins in cell membranes can found as option A triglyceride stores only, option B DNA bases, option C receptors, option D fatty acid synthesis only. Question number 11. Which pair consists entirely of conjugated biomolecules? Option A triglyceride and glucose, option B fatty acid and glycerol, option C cholesterol and water, option D glycolipid and glycoprotein? Question number 12. In a glycolipid, the carbohydrate portion is mainly involved in interactions at the option A cell surface, option B mitochondrial matrix only, option C DNA backbone, option D ribosomal core only. इस सवाल का जवाब हमें कमेंट में बताइए। ऐसे मज़ीद वीडियोज़ के लिए वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ लाजमी शेयर करें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।